Welcome to the DIY Tax Knowledge Center. Rhino offers 3 different methods of record keeping. This tutorial explores how to use the simple record keeping method. It is a great alternative for those that do not need to create invoices or who want to avoid the hassle of managing spreadsheets. It provides a very simple interface to record your digital records. To select the record keeping method, click on the My Business menu and click on the settings icon for each self-employed business. Select the simple, recommended option. You can select a different record-keeping method for each self-employed business. If you have enabled UK property or foreign property, you have the option to select a different method for each type of property type. Click on the Edit Income button, which will take you to the income entry screen. Click Add and enter date of the income transaction, the amount, and you have the option to enter a note. And for expenses, just enter the date of the expense transaction, the expense type, and the amount. You have the option to enter a note against the expense. You can also attach an expense receipt. And if you are using Rhino on a smart device, you can even use the camera to take a photo of the expense receipt. To make the system easier to use, we added a feature that will let you easily customize which expense types are visible in your system. Click on the Personalize button at the bottom of the expense page to configure the expenses types. You can hide the expenses types that are not relevant to your business. You can also refine the terminology to make it more relevant to what you do. Click on an expense type and edit the name of the expense type to make it easier to understand. So to summarize, we designed the simple record-keeping method to make it as simple as possible for our customers to record their digital transactions so that they are fully compliant with making tax digital. Remember, if you have a high volume of transactions, you can link this app to your bank account and import the income and expense transactions straight into the app. Thank you for watching this tutorial and thank you for your patience.